Hello friend, in this video I am covering very unique problem or difficulty everyone face when they use the XLOOKUP and when they have a multiple value to look up. Like I have used the XLOOKUP here. I want project number and project values here, but what it is doing that for these two project there are two invoice number are here, but I want the value for one time only. Like suppose I don't want this value like here. So when the project repeating multiple time, I want only one value so that it should not repeat here. So manually removing this is very tough task. How to do this? Let's learn in this video. So suppose first I'm preparing the XLOOKUP. I look up for this value and look up in this project number. I phrase it, bracket close, look up in this project value. And bracket close. So I get it for the first value, but when I copy paste it for second, it's also give me for the second value. But I don't want this. So let's see how to overcome this issue. So here the trick is we have to understand we want the value only when the value appear once. If it appears second time, I want this value to be zero. So this can be done by adding one new if function. I will use if bracket start, so I have to use the count if as function, and he has to count the criteria range. So I asked him to find in this range where how many times this value is occurring. So I will start this range with a trick. I freeze this value uh, and also add this range in this case, but just freeze this first cell so that my range, when I copy it down, the range will change to, it will stick to C4, but it will change to C5. So I will get the two range, and then it will look up for the this value only. Bracket close. And then how much time this countf is coming? Because first time I select only this one range, so this value is found that the return value is 1. So when the value is greater than 1, then I don't want any result. Else it will start the XLOOKUP and bracket close. So if we will check how it will work in the second row, let's check. It will giving me the value. Now going to the second row, see, it is not giving me the value. Why? I will show you why. Because now in the second range, the this COUNTIF range has changed to C4 to 5, and it is checked that the C5 is coming two times. If I just press this and press F9, it will give me the value of 2. So now this true false is not clear, so it give me that 0 for this. Let's check for all. Wow, it's work. Only thing, just remove this ignore error. He thought that here you have not select the full range, but the reason is as soon as going down, it select from the top to bottom. So we will get only the wherever the value come first time, it will give the X lookup, otherwise I get this. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this.